Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Hub, your guide to easy tech fixes and PC tips. In today's video, we are going to learn how to download and install Turbo C++ for C and C++ programming in Windows 10 stroke Windows 11. So let us open our favorite browser. And in the Google search bar, we are going to type in Turbo C++ download. It is going to bring you different links, and we are going to click on the one which has developer inside. When you open this link, you will see where there is download Turbo C++. So you are going to click on download, and in a few seconds our download has to start in our browser. Yeah, it is here downloading. Yeah, it is done. So here we are going to look for it in our downloads. Yeah, right here. So we are having Turbo C++. It is zipped. We need to extract it. So you're going to right click and extract it to a folder which is Turbo C. So we are having our folder. Let's open it, and inside we are going to run this setup.exe. So right click on it and open. It's going to bring the installation wizard. So here we can click next. Here we need to accept the terms and conditions in the license agreement. Click on next. Click on install. So the installation wizard will continue, and in a few minutes it shall be done. So here the installation wizard has completed the installation of Turbo C++. It is telling us to launch the program. So we are going to leave this box checked and click on finish. So here is going to bring you this window. Here it has several examples and about C+ programming. So if you are new to programming, you can read through the examples. Otherwise, we are going to uncheck this box. We are going to leave this one, which is full screen mode, and then click on Start Turbo C++. So our Turbo C++ has started. As you can see, we have file, edit, search, run. So here you can continue with your programming, and in this way we have managed to download and install our Turbo C++ for Windows 10. Thank you for watching. If you find this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and join the Tech Hub community for more easy tech tips. Thank you.